Welcome to Kali Linux installation. Select Graphics installation method. Choose your language. Select your location. Select your keyboard layout based on your physical keyboard layout. Set your host name and your domain. Set your root password. This is the master password for your Kali Linux. Partition management. Select automatic or manual partitioning method. Now create root partition from available free space. Mention the required size in GB. Make it as primary partition. Now create another partition for swap memory, usually double the size of your physical RAM. Now confirm that you want to write changes in disk. Note, this process can't be reversed. Use network mirror. Now click on Yes to install Grub bootloader on your disk. If you have multiple disks, select appropriate disk to install bootloader. Thank you for watching. Support and subscribe our channel.